Let me show you what structure actually looks like in practice. This is the 642 framework, and this is what makes planning fast instead of overwhelming. Think of this like the nutrition facts on a recipe. When you're cooking, you want to make sure you've included protein, carbs, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. The 642 framework is the same thing for yoga sequencing. 6 refers to the 6 movements of the spine: flexion, extension, side bending to both sides, and twisting to both sides. Every balanced yoga class includes all 6. This isn't mystical, it's physiological. This is how we keep the body healthy and mobile. 4 refers to the 4 lines of the legs: the front line, the quads and hip flexors; the back line, the hamstrings and calves; the inner line of the adductors; and the outer line, the abductors and glutes. 2 refers to the 2 core actions: stabilization, building strength and control, and articulation, dynamic movement and mobility. Here's what changes when you have this framework. When you sit down to plan a class and start feeling overwhelmed by infinite possibilities, you just ask yourself, am I including all 6 spinal movements, all 4 leg lines, both core actions? Suddenly, instead of staring at a blank page for an hour, you have a checklist. Instead of second-guessing every choice, you have criteria. Instead of spending 5 hours overthinking, you're confident and done in under an hour. This is what makes planning fast. This is what gives you confidence. This is what ensures your students actually get a balanced, effective practice without you spending your entire weekend stressed about it. This is the professional kitchen you've been missing.